Hello guys, my name is Owen Lubinda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, any suggestions. So this is my new tripod stand, mini tripod stand for my camera, mobile phone, and anything like that. So I'm currently going to show you all the features that are on this tripod stand. Let me just show you all the angles, and maybe if you really want it, you could also get it. I'm just updating you on the equipment that I'm currently buying. Little by little, as you know, everybody has to start from somewhere, so it's a very cheap one. So this is the angle of how you can actually shoot on, or how it shows when you're shooting using the tripod stand. Okay, so this is simple movements, left to right. Just show you, though it's shaking because of the wind, but left to right it will be balanced like that. Yes. So then again, you can actually switch to TikTok mode. What I'm trying to say is, you can actually make the thing turn like that using the tripod. It's a mini tripod. Yes. Also to the right. This tripod is very cheap. It's going at a fair price. I will leave the link of the website where I bought this this tripod. It's a very cheap tripod. Like, you do it on TikTok, one shoot, and you do your TikTok. When you're done with your TikTok, you can actually push it back to okay. That's the way it looks when it's all stretched out. Okay, let me just show you all the angles. That's the way it looks. So when you fold it again, it comes to that angle. Then I'm going to show you a shot. It forms to that angle. So let me show you a simple example how you can shoot using this gimbal. So now we're currently using the tripod, and we just showed shooting. Okay, never mind about my weird garden though. These are the shots. It's stable and it's well balanced, and it's one of the simple equipment that I've currently purchased. I'll be using it. Big shout out to everybody who supports this channel. Please subscribe if you're new for the best content on how you can make money online. Peace.